Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I got my cat in here. She's like in the mic. Purring. SPY, QQQ, SPX. Awesome. Let's see. Post it up. All right. Boom. There's that. And live. Cool. How'd you guys do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades, and let me know up in the chat while I kick my cat out of my room. Bye. Bye. Alrighty. Oh, you guys got the dark blue today. Look at that. Repping a different color. I like it. Let's get this go live real quick. Let's see. Hold on. Just got to fix a couple of things real quick. And then we're good to go. What's up? Good morning. Edit. There we go. Awesome. You blew your account. How? How'd you blow your account? Please say you're joking. Save. Awesome. All right, let's go over the two trades that I ended up taking yesterday. One was an absolute banger, right? These contracts did 100% in, I think it was like 8 minutes or something like that. I think even less than that, to be honest with you. But it was SPY puts. So was talking about this in the Team Bull live chat. You guys heard me talking about it. It's just somebody, not gonna say who, decided to buy calls going right into my reject level, which I don't know why, because I was talking about that reject level all morning. But that's why I didn't call it out in Team Bull, because people bought calls going right into my level, and I didn't want to obviously overcomplicate things and confuse members who went long. But if you guys know the way that I trade, you know that the 61.8 was right at this level right here. So this is why I took the trade. Pivot high, pivot low, watch 458.20 and 458.37. Those were my two reject levels. So price just broke through 458.19. However, from there, price got up to the 61.8. I did not enter right at the 61.8 just because I wasn't seeing anything in the price action that was saying, hey, go short, right? This candle right here didn't say anything. This candle right here didn't say anything. I got short on this candle right here at 1018. That's when I got filled. So break it down to a 1 minute time frame. Again, nothing was really saying, hey, this is going to reject. But if we go to the 5 minute time frame, as I was watching this and price started to reject harder off of that level, that's when I decided to go short. So this one was a little more patient just because the lower time frames weren't really saying, hey, get short up here. So got short at that 1018 mark and was able to catch this move all the way down. And my stop loss was right above these highs. Insane trade. Literally stupid. It was crazy. So made a bag and a half off of that. Congrats if you took it with me. Again, sorry I couldn't call it out, but obviously didn't want to confuse a lot of people. But you guys had my levels. I talked about that level ever since we came down here and started coming back up. So you had about 10, 15 minutes to watch those levels. So that was the first trade I took. And then as price started to bounce back up, it went into this fair value gap, which I liked, but also inside of that fair value gap, the 8 EMA was also there. So go on the 8 EMA. So as price started rejecting the 8 inside the fair value gap, that's when I decided to get short again. However, this was pretty much a break-even trade after commissions, just because it came down, the contracts weren't moving much. It would wick below this like 457 like 1 level or 457 2 level, and then they would keep buying it back up off of that level. So it was just, yeah, it worked out a little later, but that wasn't a trade that I wanted. I wanted it to roll over and get down into these lows a lot quicker than what it was doing. So just a mixture of the contracts being weird, this not playing out how I wanted it to. That's why I decided to get out of this trade for pretty much break even, look for a different trade. Didn't see any. So pretty much the banger of the day yesterday was this one right here. Boom. So those were my trades. Again, how'd you guys do? Make money, lose money, take no trades yesterday? And don't worry, we're going to catch more. And guess what? 2024, we're going to catch even more. We're going to be banging left and right. Left and right, baby. So, yes, stick to the system. Fibs are very easy to use. Cool. Let's see what we like today, what we don't like. And also, Boeing was part of the watch list yesterday. I gave you guys Boeing. Told you guys to watch that 235.50 break. If you caught that, that thing just ran all day. So, congrats if you did. But, what is today? Thursday? Jobless claims, wholesale, consumer credit. A whole lot. All right. I'm not frozen. Are you frozen? I'm gonna name you Elsa if you're frozen. I think you got some issues over there, JB. But I will tell you what, we got a nice fibby fib coming into play. So start with ES as always. Very interested in that daily 21 EMA if we actually got down there. At the same time, we have daily demand right here. It's not what I wanted. Daily demand right here. Oh, we're just going to do this. Let's see, make it green. It's also snowing outside today, baby. I love the snow. There we go. Here's our daily demand. Daily 21 EMA is inside of that level. Very interested if price can actually get down there. Boom. All right, so pretty much that's going to be my only bounce. Really not seeing anything else. And as far as a fib reject, here to here, 45.73.63, 45.79.5. So got that we can watch. Whoops. Let's see, maybe 30-minute supply somewhere in here. I mean, we got 30-minute supply way up there. So maybe if price were to break that and continue higher, we could watch up here. Let's see, rectangle, extend that to the right. Boom. So we got supply up there. Premarket low. And then the next level is our demand. We are in a huge area of support as well, of just this consolidation. So, oh no, we'll see. But this whole level right here, technically this is still demand. We haven't cracked it, but if I'm looking for a bounce, it's going to be down here. So we got that, we got fibs, we got supply, we are good on ES. Head on over to SPY again, more than likely just gonna have to use ES levels today. But as far as the fib reject, we can use here to here, 456.57, 457.13. After that, we watch the daily demand on ES for a bounce. Or even the daily 21 EMA, which is around 450. We're at 455. That's a hike. So cool. There's SPY, ES. Take a quick look at SPX. Really not too much going on here besides that support right there, this overall level. Like 6 points. But yeah, 4,600 reject level. Cool. All right, head on over to NQ. It's cold. Let's see. Alrighty. NQ. Still holding that daily 21 EMA. Daily demand. Right there. Come on, where are you? There you are. Green, boom, boom, boom. If you guys ever got questions, feel free to ask. Try to answer them as well. Just flurries. But yeah, if we want NQ to go lower, we need to lose that daily 21 EMA. That's going to be a big level because we haven't tested it in so long. We're making it support now, so. But we'll be willing to watch fib rejects up there, see if it plays out. If we crack that, we could go test this 30-minute supply. Good morning. And honest question. So I hired editors. And if you guys saw my Instagram video last night, that was one of the videos that the new editors did. Do you guys like the editing? Do you have any suggestions for the editing? Do you think it's trash? Anything. Just let me know, because paying a pretty penny for those edits. I also posted it on my YouTube. It was a little short that I did. But let me know. Premarket low. Fib supply. Bingo. All right. Good morning, all channel members and everybody in general. Good morning. Especially the channel members. All right. A couple people like it. Okay. Thank you. Like I said, paying a pretty penny for those edits. QQQ. I just got dark hair. I don't know. Hey, don't worry. When this video drops on Saturday, 2024 is going to literally be not only my largest year trading, everybody else is in here. Because not only am I hyped up for 2024, but we kind of talked about the little transition that I'm going to make. And no, it's not genders for everybody who was commenting that in the comments for some odd reason. But no, it's a huge trading transition, and it's going to be huge. Huge. But let's see, 387.50, 388.20. Look for the reject. And then again, we got that supply up there. Daily 21 EMA on QQQ is important that we tapped over here. Still got the gap fill that it could potentially do. You have to find out on Saturday. Maybe I am quitting trading. You just have to find out Saturday. Hitting y'all with a little clickbait. You'll have to find out. But there's NQ, QQQ, ES, SPY, SPX. Hey, listen. All right, let's watch this. All right, so as far as swings, still watching that OIH that might come into play today. It really depends on liquidity. So might have to do equity, which, I mean, the equity, a daily candle close below 61.8, I'm out. So I think the equity might be the move here, because if this is really following retracements, pivot low, pivot high, bounce here, we could be testing up here if it truly bounces. So, I mean, that's a potential gain of around $70 almost, like $65. No. What is that? $70 from this point, 75, give or take, while we're risking 5 to 10. So it could be a potential 7R. So, all right. I like that though. All right, let's take a look at Apple. Still very strong. If I were to be interested in Apple, it'd probably be a bounce a little lower. So that might come into play tomorrow. We'll see. AMD. In a very weird range, so don't really care about that. Amazon, same thing, in a range. Don't care about until it finally breaks. Still holding that daily 21 EMA. Nice daily squeeze. This might actually... I know we talked about it yesterday. I like that daily squeeze. So that might actually come into play for a swing. Or if the squeeze fires up, obviously we can day trade it. But Boeing trading like a penny stock. Just retested the daily 21 EMA, broke the ascending triangle yesterday. The only issue is it's so overextended. But I kind of feel like they just want to push it back to previous 52-week highs. Thank you for subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. We'll take a look at individuals once we run through all this. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list posted up in the chat. Boeing, potentially. Kind of just straight shot into 52-week highs. Coin, don't care about. Costco. Depends on liquidity, but definitely taking off more equity today, that's for sure. Actually. Let's sell some now. Costco. All right. Wait for the market to open. We'll sell some. But depends on liquidity. We'll have to see with that. But it's a straight shot into 52-week highs, maybe the 610 or all-time highs. Maybe we can do the 610s. CRM don't care about. Google. Must have had news. Definitely had news. Anybody know the Google news? See if I can find it. Yeah, every once in a while I'll trade IWM. Apparently there was a huge earthquake somewhere and now there's a tsunami warning. Never even heard of this place. Where is that at? Oh, it's a super small island. All right. Google new AI. I see. Boeing in advanced talks to sell around 80 wide-body 787 jets. Okay. Oh, okay. So maybe that maybe we get some fundamental news for Boeing. Get it to push. Again, I do like Costco. Google don't care about IWM. I had to go and set a new high. Yeah, I mean, this could be valid from a daily perspective. Maybe 183, we'll see. But IWM there for now. We'll come back to it. Meta, really don't care until the weekly 21 or 311.16, so still waiting for that. Is that why AI is down like 17%? Oh, no, just because they reported earnings. Must have been trash earnings. All right, so Meta, we're waiting for the bounce. Microsoft don't care about. Netflix don't care about. NVDA pretty much bounced the level I was watching. I mean, if you want to watch this, you could watch for a potential reject up here. I'm personally not going to. I see other setups that I like more. But it could come into play. PayPal, is that what we got? Yeah, PayPal. Again, you can watch that if you want. QQQ, we already looked at. Roku. Still waiting for 100. Couldn't get down there today, potentially. Shopify lost that previous 52-week high. And then Tesla, still in consolidation. Surprised it's not squeezing. Cool. Well, as far as individuals, Amazon, Boeing, Costco, IWM. So right now, it just really depends on liquidity for Costco. So let's see. Let's see if we got some liquidity in the 610s. Next week for sure it has liquidity. Okay, there are a decent amount of open interest. Depends on the spreads. So. You want to know what's even funnier is my mom texted me and said, what's the trading transition? Or what's the transition in general? She said, explain. I said, watch the video on Saturday and you'll know. Not even my mom knows. All right, 2 minutes until we get this news. Let's see how the market reacts. And then we can go from there. But I will tell you what, Costco is definitely, it's up there today. Just really depends on the spreads. In the meantime, though, any questions you guys got? Stocks I haven't looked at. Again, make sure you're running up them likes if you want this watch list. 170 people in here and only 93 likes. Only half of you, almost half of you, have clicked that like button. So make sure to do that real quick. We got news in 1 minute. And let's find some bangers. I just run through different time frames to see if there's a setup that I like. And just to get a better understanding of the overall market. Post a link to the Discord. All right, so the only way to join the Discord now, because it is closed, is through the priority waitlist. Maybe spots around Christmas, maybe spots early next year. But this is the only way to join from now on, is through this priority waitlist. It takes about 5 seconds to fill out. If you follow us on social media, as you'll see, we'll post days before the spots are going to open, letting you know to keep an eye on your email, the exact time that it's going to be coming out. And then once you get the email, that's how you'll get in. But all right, we got the numbers, market's reacting. $220 forecast, 220 previous, 218. Pretty much right on the money.
Thanks for the sub.
Thanks for the sub. Continuing 1.86, forecast 1.91, previous 1.92. So continuing lower than forecast and previous by a decent bit. And then initial right on the money. So cool. Let's give the market a couple minutes and then narrow the list down. Why is there a wait list? Because we wanted to close it off instead of having a bunch of new people always joining and, you know, leaving and stuff like that. We wanted to focus on who we currently have inside of the Discord. So just much better. I've liked it a lot more that way, to be honest with you. You missed this dancing SpongeBob. That's how you know you're an OG. But, alrighty. I guess somebody keep me updated on ES if we start ripping or dipping. But let's see what individuals we like the most. Check your spam because it went out to everybody. We did open spots for Black Friday. Or that Monday. I don't really want to try a swing on this. It doesn't look bad. I mean, I like Amazon at the market strong. So, potentially we'll see. Boeing. I feel like it's a straight shot into that previous 52-week high. Like, really nothing much is blocking it. The only thing is, it's so damn overextended. But stocks can stay overextended for an extended period of time. So Boeing, Costco is definitely going on the list, 100%. Strength above 609. Look for the push into 612. Take the 610 calls. IWM, we'll see. So let's get the SPY QQQ levels typed up. Then we'll hit Costco, and then we'll determine one more, if there is one more. So SPY, again, using ES levels. 4527.75 to 4512.75. Cool. There's SPY, QQQ. You gotta make sure you guys running up them likes. I don't even know how many likes we got right now. I do know that we have 180 people though. Let's see, QQQ. We're gonna have to use NQ levels. Alrighty. Using NQ levels. Jets 15 914.252.5 and 15 943.5. Nah, it's somebody else. I do know Scarface though. I like just followed him. Pretty sure we've followed each other on Twitter for a while. I'm not too sure to be honest with you though. Followed him on Instagram. I know that. All right, so we got SPY, we got QQQ, Costco. See if I can remember the level. I think it was 609 for the break. Am I right? Yes. We'll just say 608.90. What was all-time high? 612? 612.27. Alrighty. And then we got Amazon, Boeing. It might be Amazon, to be honest with you guys. Amazon, Boeing. I don't know. I feel like Boeing does want to go because there's nothing blocking it. And then we have the IWM. IWM. So close. So close. I mean, if you want to watch this 183, you can. I would have preferred if we waited to touch it. But I'll watch 180, 192 if we actually get down there. So I think just Amazon, I'm gonna watch the daily squeeze. Alrighty. Daily swings, upside swing, boom, boom, boom. All right. Yep, I use Fibonacci extensions when we break all-time highs. Absolutely, that's the only thing you can use. Today, let's catch another banger. All right, so if you are in Team Bull, you're about to get the watch list here in 2 seconds. Boom. So SPY, QQQ, Costco, Amazon, you guys got it. YouTube channel members, you're about to get it. And then if you're not a YouTube channel member and you are not a Discord member, all you gotta do is hit 150 likes, and guess what? You get the watch list today. Boom. What's up, Don? All right, channel members, boom, y'all got it. YouTube live stream, what do we got in here? We got 128 likes, 162 people. Know for a fact you guys can hit 150. Don't be sleeping on me now. Yep, inside the Discord I put my swings when I take them. I'm very, what's the word I'm looking for? Very selective when it comes to my swing. So I could go 2-3 months without finding a swing and then find 3, 4, 5 swings to just bang out. So it just really depends when things hit my scanner and if I like them or not. Like this 08 OIH, I'm willing to take it based off of fibs. I don't necessarily swing based off of fibs. But what I do swing is something like this uranium swing that did almost 300%. Entry was over here. We did the equity. We did the $25 calls, which I'm still holding, I think, 3 of them. Let's see how much they're up. Uranium, the equity is up 28.69%, and the contracts, now obviously theta playing a factor in this, but they're still up 160%, still holding 3 of them. Got around $1,200 unrealized gains. Or no, $1,300 unrealized gains still. So, tell you what, this uranium I cleared a bag off of. So, very selective when it comes to swings. But when I take them, there's a reason. So, Amazon could be one of those. Just have to wait and see how price action continues. Alrighty. SQ. Could rally into that monthly 21. It's been a while since we tested it. I didn't even realize that this was ripping. I'd say your best bet's to watch that 4-hour 21. That's really the only spot I see a bounce. You guys almost there. 12 more likes. You're getting close. And then you get the watch list. EMA stack, stochastic. EMA stack, I have it on a different screen. Stochastic, I'm only using that on higher time frames. Especially when I'm swing trading. So, because all these are day trades, I keep it very clean. Can you trade butterfly spreads with it? Nope, you need margin. Definitely need a margin account. What other questions we got while we're waiting to hit that like goal? Over here stuttering. There you go. Got a little squeeze in the likes. I saw that. 3 more. See what ES is doing. You're at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. I'll take a biscuit. Tell you what, those breakfast wraps used to be good. I don't ever eat fast food anymore, but when I did, those wraps were my thing. I haven't had like McDonald's or Burger King or Chick-fil-A in probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. It's been a long time. Maybe even longer than that. $150, there we go, baby. All right. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. There's SPY, QQQ, Costco. Thank you for the donation. I greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna go get coffee with that today. My man Brian. Also, didn't I Brian, I'm like 99% sure you're one of the people I sent a book to. Did you get it? For everybody else who got the books to whatever day I did it. I guess it was Black Friday. Thank you for the donation. I'm still waiting for Amazon to give me the books. They should be here this week though, and then I'll send them out to you guys. But they will be on the way. I pinky promise. You'll get them before Christmas. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, we're not always going to bounce or reject a level to a T. You just you want to know the area and then watch the price action at that area. How's the market doing this morning? It's up, but I'm looking for a reject. Of course, we could blow through it and continue higher. But, cool. What other questions we got? Thank you, James. Yeah, if you guys haven't gotten the book yet, I highly suggest doing so. The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide on Amazon. What's even better? You know that holiday, Christmas? Yeah. Tell somebody in your family or significant other, hey, I want this book for Christmas. If you open this book under the Christmas tree, somebody really loves you. They want to see you win. But that's the link to the book. When does this thing get in here? Arriving December 7th to December 9th. Okay. So it'll be here within a couple days. Typically, it's always SPY and QQQ and then maybe like one or two other stocks. But I have ones that I ideally would like to watch, like ones that have higher probability, like Costco. So I'm going to prioritize Costco today. Obviously, keep an eye on other things, but yeah, SPY, QQQ, Costco, and what was the other one? I already forgot my own watch list. Amazon. Then we're going to put OIH on the side for a swang. 291.13. And then set up NQ. Bingo. We got NQ good, ES good. Hopefully we don't tag the retracements in the pre-market. I'd be a little upset if we do, but I'd be willing to take an ES straight if we got up there. I believe the 10-year yield traded. Yeah. But guess what? Who said where we were going to top out? Your boy right here. We done said this. Yeah, there's no way that I sit here all day. I'm done trading by 11:30. Just through years of journaling and realizing where most of my losing trades come from, it's trading after 11:30. So there comes a point where it's like, hey, I lose money trading after this time. It's probably not smart to continue. So it's very rare that I'll be here after those times. Like I really have to see a significant, or not a significant, a super high probability setup to be here after that time. So yeah, and then FOMC at 2 o'clock, obviously I'll trade that, but 99% of my days I'm done by 11:30. There's just so many other things that you could go and do and be more productive than watching the market chop. Hey, I appreciate you, Brian. Just a choppy market. It's hard to read price action after 11:30 for me. Most of the moves already done happened. Retracements, all that good stuff. So awesome. I also thought we bounced a demand yesterday. Where was that demand? It was on NQ. I had a demand that we bounced out of. Oh. Yes, there's a very tiny 30-minute demand that we bounced yesterday. Nope, I don't even trade power hour. Want to make my money, keep my money, enjoy my day, and do other things. Because if you already done major profit by 10:30 in the morning, why continue to sit here and trade? There's no point. But awesome. That is going to call it a day, everybody. And that's going to be a wrap today, everybody. So, as always, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Over 800 videos on this channel teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not, you're completely missing out on tons of the free education. And then Saturday, very special video. Very, 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 very special video on Saturday. So keep your eyes peeled. That's going to be at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And yes, there is a book Discord. So just hit me up on Instagram. But awesome. Everybody take it easy. Let's run it up. And I will talk to everybody bright and early tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you in like 5-10 minutes. Go make that money.